I have a university online, and
Really?
Yes, and I teach people how to make money with 18 modern wealth creation methods.
So
Wow,
that's okay.
That's cool.
You can see it. It's called Hustlers University. It's $49 a month, and I teach 18 modern wealth creation methods on how to make money. And I do this not because I'm a philanthropist. I want everyone to understand this is not philanthropy. I'm not trying to be a nice guy, and I'm certainly not trying to make money. But I genuinely believe we're living in a pivotal period of human history.
Yeah.
I believe that things are about to get a lot worse before they get better.
Yes.
And I believe that anyone who thinks like me and is aligned with me and understands about the global enslavement, if they're going to be on my team, I want them to be rich. Money gives you power. Yeah. So I am teaching anybody who will listen to my videos and understand what I'm saying and doesn't hate me, how to make as much money as possible. Because when the time comes and the battle call is made, I need rich people around me.
Yeah.
That's what Hustlers University is about. So it's right there. We teach everything about how to make money from cryptocurrency,
And
e-commerce,
anyone, can a
stocks,
woman sign up for this?
anybody.
Okay.
Oh, a woman can do this.
I will allow females into my program for the moment.
Yeah.
Women are stupid. Well,
That's
yeah,
right, yes.
They struggle with the reading and the work. You know,
That's what I was gonna say,
They're
if
like,
they can read.
but they try their very best.
Yeah.
yeah.
If they're hot, they can get a private class.
Oh, okay.
But otherwise, fuck it. So that's Hustlers University. I teach 18 modern wealth creation methods. There's me and there's 17 other professors in there teaching how to make money. It's only $49 a month. We have about 6,000 students. So that's doing
Wow.
well.
So you are making some real money, man.
I'll be honest. I say I make $2 million a month, something like that.